It's been raining the last like 4 or 5 days on and off, so I didn't get a chance to finish this seat project, but we're gonna do it today. First thing we gotta do is figure out what we can and can't take off this thing. Obviously this will come off. I just put this on here because I needed one of these clips to stay on for now. We are gonna reuse the handles and the foam, everything else. Look at that. Came out perfect. Hey, that's kind of what we're looking for right there. Is for them to break off. Alrighty. Now we can draw a pattern on our existing good piece. Let's do that. Here is our new piece. You can see this piece is going to be the seat. This I won't need, and the end over there. I don't think I could have made that any more precise. Look at that. Now, the seat mostly sits on top of this plastic here, here, and here. Your handles sit on this part. And then obviously you got your clips to be able to flip it up and flip it down and hold the seat from moving around. I am. And I don't have a jigsaw, so we're going to use a Sawzall. Keep in mind, all that is going to be covered up, so I'm not really that worried about the actual shape of it. This turned out really good. Before we put the foam on here, we just decided to clamp the arms onto it to get the right distance, about like that, so that way we can mount our little clips. To do that, we need to drill some holes, which I'm not a fan of already. So we might just drill a third hole right here in the actual clip and do 3 bolts, because I don't like how close to the edge this is. You can kind of see it from the top. That just doesn't seem like a good place to put bolts for plywood. And same thing over here. Time to drill some holes. Bam. Looky there. Good to go. Hopefully these are long enough. Yep. That might have to go longer. Let's see what we got. I didn't film a lot because it took me like 3 tries to staple this in the right orientation and figure out how I wanted to do the bolts. These are just regular bolts, as you guys saw earlier, so they're just stuck through with a washer. I did tighten everything down so it had a little bit of an indent. I had to put them in, put the foam on, get the vinyl stitched on. I'm not a professional, but this thing is going to work perfectly fine. Let's take a walk around. The front corners are a little bit janky right there. This one turned out a little better. The back is really good. And that's how it turned out. Let's put it on. It looks great from 20 feet away going 15 miles an hour. Let's take a seat. Oh, maybe those holes on the bottom were for the pressure relief and I just didn't know it. Overall, what do you guys think? Professional, no. Works, yes. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this project and if you would do this at home for your golf cart. Ultimately, I spent about $75 on material, which is the board and the vinyl. And for somewhere around that price range, you can probably get a cover that's made to go on the foam anyway. But I wanted to do it myself. Let me know what you guys would do. Thanks for watching.